What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Ranked Animal Rivals, and yeah, let's get right into it. And this is the loadout we're going to be using today: AR, Deagle, grenade launcher, and pistol. I might switch out AR for AK. Yeah.
I am gonna get cooked.
What's up?
So
Oh shoot, guys, I'm taking my sweater off. Oh shoot, I don't think I can. Oh crap.
Match starting.
No, don't start yet.
Round starting.
Okay. Oh, shoot. I'll just do it after the game.
Round starting.
Bro, I gotta take this sweater off. I'm burning in here. Okay, lock and check. It's getting
Round
tense.
starting.
Get out of here. Weave.
Round starting.
Double kill. Tie. Take that. I'll take that. Good job.
Round starting.
Bro, my brother is playing Fortnite. He's raging. Oh crap, I'm stuck. Let's go.
oh my god.
One more, chat.
Round starting.
Get over here. GG's. Oh, okay. Well, yep, let's get into the next video. Next game. My bad. Hold on. Yeah. Hold on. Owie. Sorry, guys. I had to take my sweater off. I feel so much more better. Okay, let's get into it. Yep. Comment down below which bundle I should buy. This one or this one. No, I'm only finding silverbacks. What's up, bro? Okay, hopefully I win. I have a feeling this guy's gonna be
Match
sweaty.
starting. Round starting.
Oh my god, bro. This kid's not even that good.
Round starting.
Headshot 2 3. Oof.
Round starting.
Stuck. Oh nah, bro, you can not auto shotgun, guys. My bad. Shotgun, I meant.
Round starting.
What? Okay, not done.
Round starting.
Let's go. One more match. use Deagle and pistol.
Round starting.
Where's this kid at? Nice brain. Okay, never mind. Gotta lock in.
Round starting.
$100. $40. No, my God, bro. Keep missing.
Round starting.
40. What's up? Let's go. GG's. GG's. Okay. Get me out of here. So yeah, let's get right back into it. First off, we've had 2 wins, and yeah, let's go. Just keep it moving. Two kill streak. Pew pew pew. Please don't be a sweat. Okay.
Oh, I know I'm cooked.
Hey bro, don't doubt yourself.
I know I'm cooked anyways. You're just gonna be too good for me.
You never know. I hate kids that
Match
is that
starting.
themselves. Like, if you believe in yourself, you can do it.
Round starting.
Owie! Bro, using the same load as me, I think. But actually hurt, huh?
Round starting.
Where is you? Oh my gosh, bro, I can't. Oh no, bro, I actually might lose. I gotta lock in.
Round starting.
Where's my aim? Okay. Can I cookie now?
Round starting. Round starting.
Yes. Oh crap. Well, I gotta lock in. No more. No more Mr. Nice Guy.
Round starting.
No. Alright. GG's.
GG's. I never thought I was gonna win against you.
Yeah, guys, I actually suck though. And I lost my 2-win streak. This is gonna be hard. Oh my god. Where is he?
Hi.
Hi, you're in the video, bro.
What?
You're in the video. Now, bro's using a shotgun. Why people use
Match
shotgun?
starting.
It actually sucks. Either way, he got buff. It still got It still
Round
sucks.
starting.
still 120 HP.
Round starting.
98. Oh, it's 200 HP, bro. That wouldn't even hit me. Sprite, I think he does. I think one of his control. He's not
Round
using one of
start.
his controllers. Oh, he's pissed off. Alright, bro. I feel bad. Hold on. I feel bad, champ. So
Round starting.
I'm gonna use left hand. No, no way, I suck. Oh nah. I suck. But yeah, I'm not using left hand, chat.
Round starting.
Ready? It's over here. Right there. What's this kid doing? Bro, this kid. I'm gonna use Deagle on him. Watch this.
Round starting.
GG's. Oh, okay. Let's go. Comment down below, guys, what loadout I should use. Okay, please do not be a sweat. Okay, my rank. What's up, guy? What's up, dude?
Oh, you paid to win.
I'm not using pay to win guns though. Look, just AR, Deagle, pistol.
Okay.
Match starting. Round starting.
Oh, crap, I missed. Whoa!
Yeah, I got a McDonald's
Whoa.
pizza flies.
Whoa! Hold up.
Round starting.
Bro, fucking spammer with that gun. Okay, I'm not rushing. Don't rush.
Round starting.
Alright. AR, and finish him with Deagle.
Round starting.
Put it right there. Watch it. I'm gonna use Deagle and AR.
Round starting.
Comeback season.
Round starting.
Uzi, bro.
Round starting.
Pro. Oh no, I'm selling.
Round starting.
Oh my. GG's. so that I suck at this game. So yeah, guys, I kind of suck. Not gonna lie. Where's third? Oh, this. Please do not be sweat. Okay,
Oh, first round and we already got a pro.
I'm not a pro.
Stop being mean to me. Just kidding.
Bro, why is there so many people using revolver? Revolver sucks. It's good, but
Match
revolver
starting.
does too much damage. That's the thing. It's too much
Round
damage.
starting.
And yes. And he's using AK.
What? My controller! This game is rigged. Bro, my controller, that doesn't count.
Okay, bro. If bro's gonna use AK, I'm using AK.
Round starting.
Wait, no, wait!
What? How's bro not dead?
Yeah, that's revolver. If you do 2 headshots, it's gonna equal 200. Didn't know that?
Round
Oh,
starting.
that's weird. How did we both hit us at the same time? That's actually really crazy.
This guy is kind of annoying.
Round starting.
I'm dead. Yeah, I told you I'm dead. Like,
Alright, bro. I'm not gonna use
can you
AK.
stop using AK?
Yeah, I'll
Round
stop.
starting.
Cause I'm gonna use it.
Okay, bro. Now I'm using it.
No, cause we
Huh?
can't have the same weapon, so
Yeah, fine.
I wanna use
Round
this
starting.
shit. My aim is correct, like Bang Bang Chicken Gang. Actually, Bang Bang White Gang.
Round
That's
starting.
racist. I just realized. No, act like an apex. Boy, you suck.
What? Bro, you only won because I stopped using AK. Is it you again? Do you remember me? Can you turn your mic on? Moises, I think they're here!
Match starting.
Okay, bro, I think it's champion.
Round starting.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, do you remember it?
They're here.
Round starting.
Yeah, after his match. Hold on. And the more I
Round
know.
starting.
Owie. You guys want pizza? Go get it.
Round
Where it's
starting.
always at. God, this kid is such a spray. Yeah. You guys didn't see outside?
Round started. Round started. Round started.
You guys forgot a charger.
Round started.
No, I got it. Let's go. GG's.
GG's. Wait, what MMR am I?
What does that mean? Oh, 1433.
Okay.
Is the higher the... Oh. Oh, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.